You're doing too much. She's not interested. I'm not interested, guys. Why time out? Why time out? Ask Darren. A journey of 1,000 miles. Start with the first step. Yung makapumalik. Darren is jealous. If visit visitor is not logging, while so loading. Two person. Oh my god. I see. Two four seven. So yes. What time is it over there? 1:58 a.m. I'm time him off because he is being creepy and I thought the time out he might come back with a little more respect because it's not taking side. Oh yeah.